Hi, I was gifted recently a trip to Branson, Missouri, and instead of telling you that long story, one of the things I observed on the flight down there from Washington State, where I live, was that people were watching movies on their laptops, their Chromebook, or whatever, and had wireless Bluetooth headphones connected. So I said, well, I got to get some of that. So I got a set of Bluetooth headphones from Amazon, and I looked up on Google how to connect them to my Google Pixelbook. And bazinga, I've got the article on how to do that at the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. Take a look at that. Easy as cake to do and a great time saver as well.
Hi, this is Guy Cook, and the ways to get in contact with me, well, you can contact me through the GuyRCookReport.com or https://GuyRCook.com. There's a contact form there. Or you can call the new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. Look forward to talking. Hi. The reason for this section of the video is to remind you to subscribe or at least like. It's a wrap.